Good morning, YouTube. Today is going to be a day of cleaning. I'm laying in the bed right now. I dropped my son off to school this morning because he had a class this morning. So now I'm trying to debate what I'm finna get up and do. Which I think I'm finna start off by putting a load of clothes in the wash. I don't know. It's Saturday and I just feel like I should be chilling, but I'll chill Sunday. I'm gonna get up, get a load of clothes together so I can go and wash, because I need to wash. And yes, I have a do-rag on my head. My hair is braided down, so there's no need for a bonnet. I use the do-rag instead. But yeah, I got stuff in this corner that needs to be cleaned up. I want to do some changing around on some stuff in my room. I need to wash my sheets and my blanket. I think I'm going to change my sheet and my blanket. I don't know yet. I decided on the colors of my room. I'm not going to tell nobody because some of y'all don't do it right. And I don't need nobody copying my style until I'm completely finished with what I'm doing. Decided that I'm not going to keep this bed. I might still keep my headboard. I might just put it in the attic. But hubby finally agreed to let me get the bed of my dreams. So I ain't finna get it right now though, so don't play yourself. I'm gonna get that bed, but it could take time because that bed is expensive. But I finally talked to him to let me get the bed of my dreams. And I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna get the nightstands that go with it, or if I'm just gonna get another dresser and put with it. I haven't decided. I know I'm gonna keep these dressers on these sides because I would have tore it on those. They just need to be touched up with some paint, which is not a problem. I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do with my other dresser. If I'm gonna keep that and just paint it chalk gray or buy a dresser. I don't know, y'all. Part of me like keep the dressers and just repaint them, because it's a waste of money. I don't know. Alright, so let me get up, because I gotta straighten up. I gotta throw stuff away. I gotta clean up. I got some reviews I need to do. I don't know if I'm gonna do them this weekend or next weekend, but I got stuff I gotta do. Probably make me some oatmeal real quick. But yeah, this is how my weekend is starting. We ain't going nowhere today. I might take Lil Red to the library. I don't know. We'll see. I'm trying to finish cleaning up. So I brought this bench in here. I'm going to put this bench over there, put this in the bathroom, and work from there. So yeah. So I need to take all this stuff that's up here, put it on here neatly, and y'all can't see me. Put it on here neatly and try to make it work. Put this here. I think I'm gonna put this here And that allows this area more room and to be more open. So I'm thinking that's what I want to do. I don't know if y'all can see it there. So I think that's what I'm going to do to this is put it right here. So the first thing I want to put is probably my candles. So now I'm finna sweep it out, pick up this trash that's in here, which is trash I've thrown on the floor. I don't know if you can see it. I need to get all that up. I still haven't decided where I'm gonna put this scale. I'm thinking I'll just put it right here once I sleep. So yeah, and I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's a wig. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up my bathroom as far as sweeping it out and stuff, and I'll be back. Okay, so everything's been cleaned off and cleaned up. The towel that gotta be washed. I put the scale right there. All our candles and body washes and toilet paper, first aid kits are right here. That's the trash can. So until I find a smaller trash bag, that will be there. Tub has been cleaned off. Doors have been cleaned off. This is where we hang clothes at. That's why I have a door rack. So everything is pretty much done. I swept the rugs. Took care of that. So now everything's pretty much dead. So yeah, simple, straight to the point. Thinking about taking those pictures down and putting something bathroom related up. If I can find something purple or gray, that'd be awesome. But I'm gonna let that candle burn for a little bit because it's going into the room and has the room smelling good as well. But that is my bathroom. It has been mopped out. I wiped down the borders and I'm finished. So we don't have a very big bathroom. It's big enough for us. So The only thing I wish about our house we would have had was the Jack and Jill sinks. That's the only thing, because I feel like this space right here was big enough for that. So I really, really wish they would have did the Jack and Jill sinks. I'm also thankful for this, because this allows me to keep my hair products, medicines, towels, and all that in here. So, but I'm finna refill my wildflower real quick, and then I'll be done with this bathroom. So I hope you guys, hold on. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me video. There's not much I can do to the room right now until I wash the clothes and put the clothes away, and my blankets still need to be washed, so there will be a part 2 to the clean with me. But I just wanted to give you an insight of how I kind of straighten up my bathroom, make it look presentable. We do this at least once a week because we live busy lives and we tend to be messy during the week as far as brushing teeth, washing face, doing hair. So once a week, which is normally on a Saturday, I come in here, straighten up, clean up, mop, sweep, all that, get it together, have it looking decent. And I found that if you do it once a week, then it won't get too dirty, it won't get nasty. It'll just be enough to where you maybe have to just come in here and mop, sweep, spot clean. We're pretty much good about when we got the tub, cleaning out the tub. You know, so stuff like that. The most thing I ever have to do, and the only reason I did the baseboards is because I hadn't done the baseboards in a month, so it was time to go around the baseboards, clean and get the dust and stuff off of there. But for the most part, I rarely ever have to do anything except clean the counters, clean the sink, mop, sweep, make sure the toilet's still looking nice, wipe it down a little bit, and that's pretty much it. My job is not hard. So the hardest part gonna be this room, because now I gotta figure out where some of this stuff goes, and I'm still waiting to put 4 loads in the wash. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I have accomplished a lot. As you can see, this area has been cleaned up. This area, except I have to take those clothes to get altered. That is trash. Those are clothes that still need to be washed, but nonetheless, I'm almost done. Got this side cleaned up. So, need to put pillowcases on those pillows, and then I'll be finished. I'm tired, so I'm due for a nap, but I'm not gonna take a nap till I start this other load. So, only thing I have not done is my closet. So I need to do my closet. Now what I did do was I took all my jeans and all like my casual shirts and matched them with my jeans and put them in these cubicles. I don't know if you can see them, but there are cubicles down here and right there. So I put all my jeans and stuff in there. Still got to find a place to put all these shoes, because these are my shoes. These ain't even my husband's shoes, so that's a problem. I got shirts down here that I need to find mates to. I like to match my outfits, so yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do with these wigs. And that's not even all of them, because I still got wigs over here. And I got wigs down there. So, I don't know. But I'm going to think of something. I just want to clean space, especially since I do most of my filming in here. I made me a salad for breakfast, and I took out my hair scarf because I'm trying to let my hair breathe. So yeah, right now I'm watching Fast and Furious. I say by the time we go to another commercial on this movie, it should be time to put another load in. Y'all see my little sitting area right there? I'm gonna put some more pillows there, but for right now that'll do. I did change my comforter to black and white. I think I'm gonna change this top part up here to a black or a gray. I don't know. I ain't decided yet. But okay, let me finish watching this movie and chill out, and I'll be with y'all in a second.